Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix this issue when you don't receive messages from your phone into your Xiaomi Watch S3. So we can actually try to do few things. The first one, you can grab your watch, then swipe up and be sure that you turn off the silent mode. Next, go into the settings. From this, scroll down and go into the Do Not Disturb mode. Also, turn it off. Additionally, you can go into the notifications and you can check if you have enabled this option, wake screen for the notifications. Now from the smartwatch is actually everything that we can change, but we can also try to change some options in the smartphone. So grab your phone, open the Mi Fitness application. From this, you will have to actually go into the app notifications and click on the custom notifications and be sure that you enable the messages or the switcher from the messages and also from the other applications that you are actually receiving messages, like for example from the WhatsApp or Messenger. And after this, when you enable every app, just click done. And yeah, that's basically it. Also be sure that you enable the app notifications at all. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.